Hey guys, and welcome to this episode of Hippo Tech, bringing you guys the latest in tech news, reviews, and more. Today I'm going to be giving you guys an overview of Raven, which is a new web browser you might have seen popping up around YouTube quite a bit lately. Today I'm going to give you guys my little overview and kind of first impressions of the browser itself. And overall, I think it's really good, even though it's still in kind of a beta mode. Now, upon first glance, if you have ever used Rockmount, you will see that it looks very similar to Rockmount. It's definitely kind of competing with Rockmount as well, with this smart bar on the side, which I'll get to in quite a moment. However, the interface itself is very minimalist. If you did use Rockmount, you will notice that it doesn't ask for your Facebook credentials upon launch, which is really awesome as well, which helps minimize the clutter of the desktop itself. You can also notice that icons are used thoroughly throughout, as well as the nice grayscale color scheme, which makes it quite easy on the eyes and also makes it look very nice. Now, the browser does work like Google Chrome in a sense that you can use the address bar to go to other websites like youtube.com. As you can see in the bubble below, it does look really nice. Really nice dark color, gives a lot of contrast, and I like it a lot. Normally the browser is really fast, it's just that my it's just that my internet is quite slow today. But as you can see, it does load web pages just like that. You can also just do a search query for YouTube, and it will load up the Google search for whatever you had searched. So that's really cool as well. All these icons on the top are quite straightforward. You can add new tabs by clicking on the tab button. This manages your favorites and stuff like that. You can add a bookmark through there or a favorite. Kind of edit it. You can set it to Instapaper. There's a lot of Instapaper integration throughout this application as well. For this button on the side here, what it does, it goes to the mobile site for you, so that's really cool as well. Especially when people, a lot of people do this on Facebook, they send links of the mobile version on Facebook because they were viewing it on their phone or what have you. So you can't revert back to that really easily. And this button up here makes that really easy to switch back and forth. Also, if for some reason you did like the mobile version better than the desktop version, you can easily access that. Another really cool thing is that in the sidebar here, you can also, in some of the programs, which you'll see later on, you can just click on that button to open up new tabs and stuff like that. Another really cool thing is that your history is easily accessible in a sidebar, which is something that's really nice. So if I wanted to open up my YouTube again, you can easily access that. It also is really helpful if you found an article for school or something like that, forgot to bookmark it, it's right there in the sidebar. You'll be able to find it very easily. Your bookmarks and favorites are also very accessible like that, as well as your downloads, which is something that's really cool. It kind of minimizes the need for more windows, which is something I really like a lot because I'm a bigger fan of tab browsing than window browsing. Now, the main purpose of this web browser is to bring you these web applications, which you can see on the side here. So if you click on the home button up here, it will take you to a web app store. And this is where you're going to see where Raven starts to lack, as it is kind of still in its beta mode. And here you're able to add all of your web applications for free into the sidebar. It's called a smart bar in this browser. However, there aren't very many. There's basically the basics that you would want in your sidebar here. Now, what these web apps allow you to do is have all your favorite websites or what have you open in the browser. However, they are not in a tab, so it's a lot less cluttered. But you're able to easily access these websites in a full screen mode. Now, as you can see, there aren't a lot to start with, but there are the basics like Google or Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Forest, and Angry Birds even. So it's really cool. So what you can do with these, so you can just open them up and it will take you to your YouTube page, what have you. This is something I've noticed though. I didn't have to put in any of my credentials. All of that was taken probably from a cache in my other web browsers, which is something that I personally liked. However, if you are using a shared computer, this is something you might not exactly want your browser to do. But as you can see, the sidebar here is customized for each and every website. So you have your home page, the video screen, movies, and also the upload page, which is quite convenient as well. If I were to open up Tumblr or something of the like, you'll go into your dashboard, you have a new text post, a new photo, and all that fun stuff. It's all really easily accessible via the sidebar itself, which is really cool. And as you can see here, if I just double click, it'll open up my dashboard in another tab as well, which is really cool. So overall, I really like this application. It's really snappy actually, even though it might not show that way through my video potential. And it's one of my favorite web browsers. The UI is gorgeous. I love it a lot. The web apps are done very well, and once more web apps get added into the store, they'll be really awesome. It's really customizable. You have easy access to everything. There's no need for tons of windows open, which will help you save space on your desktop as well, which is really cool. So definitely give it a try. I have the download link in the description. It is a free web browser, and be sure to check it out. So thanks for watching this episode of Hippo Tech. Be sure to comment, like this video, and subscribe for future updates on my next videos. Bye.